smooth as butter.
No, I guess I instinctively said ow, even though it really didn't hurt me. It did rattle the bike a little bit, but it didn't hurt me. I said ow instinctively, because it usually hurts. That's weird. Hey John, the speed limit's 45. How about let's go 45 instead of 55? Hey. Now comes the sun in the eyes. Womp womp womp. Ow. I hope it doesn't rain this weekend.
They said the rain's going to go into the weekend.
God damn it. Oh, somebody else had a nice idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, birds. What you doing back there?
I'm like within shot of you. It's alright.
Feels weird.
Didn't even wave.
Feels weird.
What feels weird?
Having my right hand without the throttle.
Yeah.
What do I do with it? I don't know.
Wave at the wildlife. Hello, wildlife.
Hey, wildlife. Hey, tree.
Hello, birds. Hello, trees.
I spy something green. Oh, I guess you're not supposed to point at what you spy. Did they clear out some of those trees?
Don't know.
Sorry, it just looks a little more barren. Maybe they cleared out the underbrush? I don't know. See how that one's all like really busy?
Yeah.
And this side doesn't look as busy?
Sure, you can see right through it.
Yeah, but you can't see through that.
Yeah, I didn't know there were buildings there. Okay, yeah, the brush has been cleared a bit.
You're what?
You're right, the brush has been cleared a bit. I didn't know there were anything there.
Yeah.
Another bait shop or something.
Yeah, but why would they do that to all of it? Like all of this and all of that, but not do this side? You think they're going to start putting houses out here?
I doubt it. Who knows? Someone's like, I want a house right there in that clearing. Hey, if you can afford it, you can plonk a house anywhere you bloody want.
Yeah, you can, but the problem is that even if you can afford it, the internet provider's not going to bring out super stellar internet to a place out here in the BFE.
True. Unless you pay them the 200 grand.
Nope. A lot of companies won't even do that. Because
Not even for the actual...
you still have the distance to deal with. They're not going to build a new central office just for you, even if you pay for it.
All right. Well then, you know what else is expensive? Motorcycle rentals.
Yes. Yes, motorcycle rentals are pretty expensive. Do you know why?
Nope.
Because they're more likely to get into an accident or dropped. Therefore, it would cost more to try to resell it.
Yeah, but that's what you pay the extra insurance for.
But dropping it, you don't need insurance claim if you just scuff up the bag a little or...
Yeah, well, that's on them, isn't it?
Well, that's why they rent it at such a high rate. It's not like a car where you get into it and just drive it.
Yeah, but you get insurance on it. Then, like, you know, you scuff it up, break it, the insurance pays out to get it repaired. If they don't repair it, and they try and they sell it at a loss because they don't bother to repair it on the insurance's dime, then that's on them, isn't it?
I guess so, but still, cost of rental insurance is going to be higher, or cost of rental of a motorcycle is going to be higher than a car. I mean, look at what it was going to cost us to have to rent a car overnight. $71 to rent a freaking car just to go to Dallas and back.
Yeah.
Dallas, stay the night, and come back the next day. Basically 24 hours.
Right.
$71.
And you can rent, and here's the difference. If you wanted to rent a little 250, that's $90 a day for 24 hours.
Yeah. Okay, well, when I was looking at, that was at Enterprise, the 71. When I was looking into just one day over at Hertz,
Right.
it was nearly $100 for one day to rent a car from Hertz.
And yeah, how were we able to rent a car for cheap before?
Oh, we actually went to Enterprise, and we also got a discount because of where we work.
Oh,
And
okay.
we still spent $60.
Well, it just sucks that if you wanted to rent a motorcycle for like a vacation for like a 5 days, a week or something, then you're looking at, you know, what's it, $1,500? That's about, in pounds sterling for anyone who's interested, that would be about 1,200 quid.
It's quite a bit of money.
Yeah.
But like I said, I mean, if you have a year to save up for it and a little bit extra just in case costs rise, then job well done. You got to ride a motorcycle in America if you're not from America. And you have unlimited miles on it, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, they're all unlimited miles.
Right, so...
Except maybe, I don't know, maybe scooters in the 250, like, you know, not expected to go like coast to coast on one of them.
So I was looking into, it was something that I saw on Pinterest where you can rent a motorcycle and travel in, was it Norway? On the border of Norway. You get one of those all-ride motorcycles, you know, the ones that look like dirt bikes but are not.
Adventure bikes or something.
Yeah. You could rent that for 5 days for $1,200 US.
Yeah.
But you also get included with that camping and shit like that. Okay, so there's nothing coming this way, is there? Nope.
No.
But you also get camping, a tour guide, food.
Sorry about that, my GPS kicked in and booted you off.
Oh. Alright.
Where were you? Oh yeah, adventure bike, adventure touring.
Right. Adventure bike, adventure touring, and basically you get food, you get a tour guide, you get camping, and it's like a 5-day trek, and you go along the border of Norway up into, on like twisty, turny roads, you get to see scenic roads near lakes, and you get to camp out in the wilderness, and they even cook the food for you at a campfire. But it's $1,200 US dollars, and I'm thinking that is pretty expensive. But then you stop and think about it; they're providing you food and entertainment and a motorcycle ride.
Right.
And you get to see country that is amazingly beautiful. And they do it but they have to do it in a certain amount of groups. Like you go into a group of like anywhere from 6 to 12.
Yeah.
But they won't do it unless there's a group. But it doesn't have to be all, you know, like you have to bring 6 to 12 people. What they do is they set up reservations and then they just lump people together.
Alright.
So it's like a hibachi table where you sit with other people you don't know. So that's interesting because, I mean, going to another country and traversing a language that you don't know.
Right.
And trying to review their maps and everything. Sure, you'd figure it out, but at the same time, I bet you get lost once or twice, or take a wrong turn, or think that one road is another road because like I said, the language is slightly different.
Right.
So, and not knowing exactly, you know, I mean, you can plan it out, go GPS it and do everything, and take your GPS with you and set it up to where it'll tell you exactly where you're going to be stopping, where you're going to be turning and everything.
Actually, they should have like an adventure holiday where you go to a hotel, it's near a racetrack. One day you do racing, next day you do adventure biking, next day you do like touring, and you kind of do the whole thing. Then you hit a little seaside town and hop on a scooter. That'd be fun.
That's the thing. I just like the idea of, you know, going on tours like that. I mean, the idea of going out and just riding for days, like when we went to Tennessee. Now, it's not just camping, like camping. I mean, you may stay in a tent, but they also have cabins that they stop off at that have showers and stuff. So, but yeah, like I said, I think that'd be a cool idea to go do that.
Yeah, and you'd be right.
But there again, if I was just to go to a different country and rent a motorcycle and go for a ride, oh yeah, I'd get lost. Last thing I want to do is stare at a GPS the entire time. I'd much rather just kind of go in a group and follow the leader.
Right.
But yeah, I would love to see, you know, someone from another country come here and visit with us, rent a motorcycle, and go for rides.
Yeah, well,
Of course, there's not much to do here, so it'd be kind of slightly boring, I'd think.
well, no, go to Dallas, not Dallas, sorry, go to Texas
I'm
and
not going to Dallas on a
smoking.
motorcycle.
It'll be fun, it'll be an adventure.
That's not an adventure, man. That's like taunting death.
Probably make you feel at home.
But that would be fun to to go visit other people in another country, or to have them come visit us. I mean, hell, we could do new adventures together.
Yeah.
Of course, that's not an invite for people to stay at our house. What?
Oh, I'm just sighing and that felt good. Little twist of the throttle, little power up.
Oh, do you want me to go faster?
If you'd like. There we go. Was that so bad?
It was horrible. Now I'm going to get a speeding ticket.